My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Mazda 6. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have cruise control as well as voice control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. Moving over to the home screen, we have 5 main features, which are settings, navigation, entertainment, communication, and applications. Put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.